YouTube paid me to write, and I'm not even joking about it. Like, guys, I'm literally serious. You're clicking on this video because you want to know how YouTube paid me to write, and I'm gonna be leaving no stone unturned in this video. First of all, I'm gonna be sharing with you my last month's bank statement because I use GPay account. I want to show you that I actually got paid several times just writing. And let me put this disclaimer out there. This is not a clickbait video. This video is going to dismantle a lot of things and expose a lot of things. YouTube is now paying writers. Yes. But the first thing you need to do to qualify for this, you have to have a good knowledge of writing. And that is why my YouTube channel comes in. Now, you have to go there, check out videos. They're going to set you and help you improve your journey in writing. Do you get me? Even if you're a newbie, you don't know what, you hate writing, I'm gonna show you my videos on YouTube. My previous videos are gonna help you find yourself in writing, and because you have to find yourself before you start making the money. Do you get? Before YouTube can pay you. Now, the juicy thing about this is that I wasn't even monetized. I haven't been monetized on YouTube yet, but I'm already cashing out on YouTube via writing. You can do this. Anybody can do this, but I just need 3 minutes of your time to prove it to you. All right, now this is my other phone, my Redmi phone. I'm gonna use it to show you my bank statement, my GPay bank statement, my US account. I'm gonna show you now. Just watch the screen right now. You see it on the screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna scroll through to show you that this thing works and you can actually start making yours. I don't know why you're snoozing on this. All right, now many people asking me, when did YouTube start paying people to write? I'm gonna bust your bubbles right now. Now, this is what I did. All right, first of all, I learned a skill. What is that skill? Writing. And when I learned that skill, I told myself, okay, people are putting out their services on social media. What can I do to stand out? I told myself, okay, let me start a YouTube channel. Do you get me? So I started my YouTube channel, and when I started my YouTube channel, boom, I started seeing money, like real cash, just from my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna show you immediately the same thing to do. Many people will be asking me, okay, now can you tell us how YouTube paid you to write? Now I'm gonna tell you something. First of all, you need to know that once you can give people value, they're gonna give you money. That's something you need to know. Look at yourself. What is that thing you know how to do? Put it on YouTube, and YouTube will appreciate you for that. YouTube appreciated me because I started teaching people how to make money from writing, how to make money through writing, how to become a multimillionaire through writing. Not only that I saw results, people started opting in for my G12 masterclass, and they started seeing results in writing. Not only that, people making their first 1M through my writing, through my teaching. Not only that, I started writing for creators. I started writing scripts for creators. I started writing scripts for brands. I started writing YouTube scripts and other things for brands. And I started making money. YouTube really paid me to write. Now, you're gonna scroll past this video. Before you scroll past the video, now listen to this. Ask yourself, why are you wasting time right now? What is that skill you know that you don't know that you can monetize that skill? What is that skill you have? YouTube is now paying people to write. Go to my YouTube channel, look at my videos. I've made a lot of money from writing. I've written people's YouTube scripts. That is writing. And I got paid. Still on this YouTube. Why you come on this YouTube every day to scroll past? Why somebody like me is making money and getting paid via this YouTube? But you're coming for value, but me, I'm coming here to make money. Don't snooze. Don't snooze on this opportunity. Don't snooze. What is that skill you can't monetize? Everybody knows how to write his or her name. And I'm telling you now that YouTube is paying people to write. You can write scripts. You can advertise for brands. You can write content marketing strategies, email copies for brands. All these things I teach. Everything writing I teach on my channel. So if you have not subscribed, if you have not joined the family, oh my gosh, you're missing out. You are really missing out. Oh my god. Not only that, I've been able to make over 2 million naira, over 2 point something million naira just writing. And I'm not capping. Without being monetized, even without being monetized on YouTube, I've been able to cash out more than 2,000 US dollars in just 1 month, and you're sleeping on this opportunity. Guys, money I make every month is is what people earn on YouTube is not even quarter to what I make. You've seen my bank statement. I can go on and show you other things. That can be you if only you start writing today. If only you start writing for top international platforms that I'm willing to show you. Comment in the comment section that I want to start writing, and I'm gonna put you through. I'm gonna put you in particular through so you can start cashing out just like me. People are gonna partner with you. Top brands, top YouTubers are gonna reach out to you to write their scripts. That is writing, and you're making the money in YouTube. So do not limit your possibilities that you carry inside of you. You're not just coming to YouTube to learn. You're coming to YouTube to make money, and I want to open your eyes to those possibilities. That is why you have to join my family. Join the YouTube family, join my family, and I will be willing to guide you for free. Help you find yourself, make money, even without being monetized. By the time you're dancing to get your monetization pin, you're already making money. That sounds interesting. Do you get me? Just like I have my G12 course, and many people are opting in for it, and I'm making my money. I'm writing my novels, I'm making my money. Still on this YouTube. People watch my video, they like me, they reach out for partnership, I'm making my money. Brands reach out for partnership, I'm making my money. YouTube partner programs, most of them reach out for partnership at times through my emails because I see it, and I'm making my money. So there is a lot you can do online. Do not lose. Do not lose. Kindly rush now and go and watch my popular videos on my YouTube channel and get blown away. I'm telling you, your game is going to change in this YouTube street. You're going to cash out. You're going to become a multi-millionaire even without being monetized. You're going to show YouTube that yes, even without being monetized, you can make money even without being monetized. And I'm willing to guide you.